This is Madanachari, contract lecturer, working at GPW, Jogipet. Unit 4, Grammar. Unit 4, Grammar. From this topic, today we are going to discuss present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay. What is present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? Continuous means what? Going on action. Continuous means what? Going on action. When it is going on, at the time of speaking or at present, so that it is called present continuous tense. The action which is going on at the time of speaking, those actions we should say in present continuous tense. Okay, here we have an information, we should go through it. Present continuous tense. Present continuous is also called present progressive. Progressive means going on, happening. This is a verb. This is a verb. This is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing actions is happening now, either at the moment of speech or in a larger sense. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. Read on for detailed description examples. Okay, simply the information is about the work which is going on at the time of speaking. We should say in present continuous tense. Here we have a structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus be form. Subject plus be form. Be forms here we have be, am, is, are, was, were, be, being. These are all the be forms. Apart from these be forms, we are going to use am, is, are. Okay, what are the helping verbs here? Am, is, are, plus a verb 4. V1 plus ing form means verb 4. Continuous verb we are going to use. Okay, here we have 3 helping verbs. What are they? Am, is, are. Okay, then where do we use these helping verbs, or for which subjects we are going to use these helping verbs? First one is am. Am is used for I. Am is used for I. Then we, you, they. Second person plural. First person plural. Second person plural as well as singular. Then third person plural. Here we are going to use are. The remaining third person singulars. What are the third person singulars? He, she, it, or any other singular name. Here we should use is. Here we should use is. Means here for I we use am. For we, you, they we use are. For he, she, it we use is. Okay, here we have some examples. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. Then he, she, it. For he, she, it, what should we use? We use is. She is or he is, it is. Okay, then we, you, we, they, followed by are. We, you, they, followed by are. You are. watching a film. We are watching a film. They are watching a film. Okay, like this we are going to use helping verbs. Here, when do we use present progressive? When do we use present progressive? Means present continuous tense. Where should we use present continuous tense? Okay, here we have some uses. The first one is actions happening at the moment of speaking. The actions happening at the moment of speaking means now, at the moment, at this time. Okay, like this. For example, Peter is reading a book. Peter is reading a book. Then second one, she is listening to the radio. She is listening to the radio. Okay, the first one is happening at the moment of speaking. Happening at the moment of speaking. And the second one is fixed plans in the near future. Fixed plans in the near future means what we are going to do in the future. What we are going to do in the near future. For example, she is going to Basel on Saturday, or I am going to my village. I am going to my village on Sunday. I am going to my village on Sunday. Then the third use of this present continuous tense, temporary actions. Temporary actions. For example, his father is working in Rome this month. Okay, his father is working in Rome this month. Then here we have a few words, but we may not use those verbs in the present continuous tense. They love being together. They love being together. They are not together now. Okay. The fourth use of this tense, action happening around the moment of speaking, means at the time of speaking. My friend is preparing for exams. My friend is preparing for exams. Next, trends. More and more people are using their computers to listen music. Okay, means the trends at the time of what we are following, what we are using. Okay, and the sixth one is repeated actions which are irritating to the speaker. Okay, means which are happening regularly, repeatedly. For example, Andrew is always coming late. Andrew is always coming late. It is a repeated action as well as is irritating to the somebody. Okay, like this. Here we have a few statements. There, the first one is assertive sentence in present continuous. Second one is interrogative sentences in present continuous. Okay, and third one is interrogative sentences with WH words. Interrogative sentences with WH words means by using the WH words we are going to make the sentences. Okay, and yes no type questions. Yes no type questions always starts with the helping verb, and we will get the answer yes or no, whatever it. For example, I am eating. I am eating. Am I eating? We are writing notes. Are we writing notes? Yes, we are writing notes. No, we are not writing notes. Then WH questions. So, what are you writing? We are writing notes. Okay, like this we are going to frame the sentences. Negative sentence. Negative sentence already we have discussed in the simple present. Negative means using the not. Negative means using the not. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object. Okay, I am not. I am eating apple. I am eating an apple. I am not eating an apple. We are writing notes. We are not writing the notes. Okay, like this. Okay, this is about the present continuous tense.